Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got a package from GoPro. This is the new Hero 7 Black Edition, which I got because my previous GoPro was the Hero 4 Silver, and I just decided to upgrade because of this supposedly super smooth stabilization. So, let's go ahead and open it up. And I'm going to be taking this thing to Greece next year, and then also to Japan. So, that's going to be pretty exciting. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Okay, we got some bubble wrap. Oh, and here is the camera. Wow, that is so cool. So, here it is. The Hero 7 Black, as you can see. And let's just take a look at some of the features, although you probably already heard of them. You got 12 megapixel photos, 4K and 60 frames per second, and it's also waterproof up to 33 feet. And you also get live streaming, but the main feature is obviously this hyper smooth video, and also you've also got this really cool time-lapse photo thing where it's just like super smooth, and that's really cool. I don't know where it says that, but anyway, let's get into opening this thing. So just pull this out. Nothing inside the box. Okay, here it is. So yeah, that's cool. Let's just open this up. So we get the instructions, I believe. Yeah, this is the instructions. We get some stickers, and then safety information. So in here we get 2 sticky mounts, a single battery, and then the charger, which I think is USB-C. So here's this rubber piece that's supposed to like stop the GoPro from getting released, and also it's a vibration reducer. So let's just take this out. Okay, so here's the GoPro. We have to undo the thumb screw, remove this black piece, and yeah, here's the GoPro itself. So now we finally have a black GoPro, because it's always been called the Hero Black, but it's never been black. This is black. And also it says Black 7 on the side, so you know that it's the 7. Undo the clip here. Ooh, that's pretty stiff. And we can pop the camera out. So there we go, we just popped it out. Well, that's really cool. It's really small, but it's got this rubbery texture, so that's pretty secure. I like the buttons. Now, I never owned a 5 and a 6, so this is all new to me, because this is completely different from before, but yeah, so here's the battery slot. Okay, there it is. There's a microphone. These are your ports. And yeah, that's your power button. So yeah, this is really cool. Now, I recommend ordering from GoPro because they also give you a free SD card. This is the SanDisk Extreme micro SD card, and it's pretty good, and it works for your GoPro Hero 7, although I would still recommend upgrading to the Extreme Pro, but at least you get a free one, so you don't have to, I don't know, pay extra money. So that was pretty much a unboxing of the Hero 7. I'm gonna go take this out to Greece next year, but I know you guys probably won't be waiting around for that video, so I might do a review of this thing, but just know that this looks really nifty. It feels really solid, and just looking at other people's videos, this is really good. So thank you for watching. Catch you guys later. Peace.